1 in 4 households got hit by a power outage last year. That's your neighbor, your friend, maybe even you. Most people think it won't happen to them until the lights go out, your phone dies, and you're left in the dark. It's not a matter of, but. The average American family loses power for over 5 hours every year, and it's getting worse. When the power dies, everything stops. Cooking, seeing, communicating, staying warm or cool. But with 6 simple preps, you can keep your family safe, fed, and connected while everyone else scrambles. This isn't about doomsday prepping, it's about being smart and ready for the unexpected. We'll break down exactly what you need, why you need it, and how to get it without breaking the bank. Let's jump into number 1. This first prep could save your entire family. In a blackout, the scariest moment isn't the lights going out, it's your phone battery hitting zero. Your phone is your flashlight, your news, your map, your lifeline. When it dies, you're cut off. That's why your first prep is a high-capacity portable power bank, at least 20,000 milliamp hours. It's affordable, portable, and can keep your phone charged for days. Keep one in your car, your go bag, and your kitchen drawer. For longer outages, consider a portable power station. These can charge multiple devices, run a lamp, or even power medical equipment. Many recharge with solar panels, giving you power as long as the sun shines. Don't rely on just one device. Have smaller power banks in key places like your car and nightstand. Imagine a storm hits while you're driving. Power lines are down, but your glove box power bank keeps you connected and safe. Start with a quality power bank, then save up for a portable power station that fits your family's needs. This is the foundation of your blackout plan. Don't skip it. Redundancy is key. Multiple power sources mean you're never caught off guard. While others panic, you'll stay connected, informed, and in control. Your phone is your lifeline. Protect it. Get your power bank today. Don't wait for the next outage to realize you needed it. This simple step turns panic into peace of mind. Stay charged, stay safe. Next up, what happens when the taps run dry? Don't let water catch you off guard. Prep now, and you'll never be left in the dark or disconnected. Let's move on. Power's out, but what about water? Most people don't realize water pressure depends on electric pumps. When the grid fails, so does your tap. You can survive weeks without food, but only 3 days without water. Store at least 1 gallon per person, per day. But 2 is better. Don't forget pets. For a family of 4, that's 8 gallons a day. Use bottled water or food-grade containers, easy to stash under beds or in closets. Rotate your supply every 6 to 12 months for freshness. If the outage lasts longer, you need purification. A life straw, Sawyer filter, or purification tablets. Your hot water tank and toilet tank, not bowl, are emergency sources. Filter before drinking. A good filter means you're not limited to what you stored. Clean water isn't just survival, it's comfort and morale. Figure out your needs, get your storage, and back it up with purification. Don't underestimate water. It's the difference between a crisis and calm. Prep now and you'll never be caught thirsty. Next, let's talk food, because the stores will be empty fast. Don't wait until the shelves are bare. Water is life. Protect it. Stay hydrated, stay prepared. Let's keep going. Food is next. Power and water are covered. Now, food. When a blackout hits, grocery stores empty out in hours. If you wait, you'll be left with nothing but empty shelves. Without power, your fridge is just an insulated box. Food spoils fast. That's why you need a stash of non-perishable food. Canned meats, fruits, veggies, soups, peanut butter, crackers, protein bars, nuts, and dried fruit. Aim for 2 weeks' supply per person, not just 3 days. Build your stash over time. Buy 1 for now, 2 for later. Don't forget a manual can opener. No power means electric ones are useless. Keep extras in the kitchen, emergency kit, and car. Include comfort foods. Chocolate, coffee, tea, or your kids' favorite snacks. Don't forget special diets, baby formula, pet food, and extra prescription meds. Rotate your food every 6 months. Eat what's expiring, replace with fresh. A well-stocked pantry is security and sanity. Food isn't just calories, it's comfort and normalcy. Prep now and you'll never go hungry. Don't wait for empty shelves to start. Your family's next meal depends on what you do today. Next up, don't get caught in the dark. Light and information are your next essentials. Stay fed, stay calm. Let's keep moving. Light is next. The right food stash means you're ready for anything. Don't let hunger catch you off guard. Prep smart, eat well. Let's talk about light. Darkness is coming. Be ready. On to the next. Picture this. The power cuts out at night. It's pitch black and panic sets in. Every person needs a reliable flashlight or, better yet, a headlamp. Hands-free light is a game changer. Don't rely on your phone's flashlight. Save that battery for communication. Store batteries outside the flashlight to prevent corrosion, and keep extras handy. For long outages, get solar-powered or hand-crank lights. No batteries needed. Light isn't just about seeing. It's about safety and comfort, especially for kids. Communication is just as vital. When the internet's down, you need an emergency radio, AM, FM, and NOAA weather alerts. Choose radios with hand crank, solar, and battery options. Some even charge your phone in a pinch. This radio is your link to emergency info and updates. Build your light kit, one flashlight or headlamp per person, plus renewable options. Add a multi-powered emergency radio and practice using it. Don't let darkness and silence defeat you. Light up your world, stay informed. Prep now, and you'll never be left in the dark. Next, how to stay warm or cool when the grid fails. Light and info, your keys to calm. Let's keep going. Darkness is only scary if you're unprepared. Shine a light, stay safe. On to climate control. Don't get caught off guard. Prep for the elements. Power, water, food, light, now temperature. Blackouts during winter storms or summer heat waves can be deadly. Never use gas stoves or grills for heat. Carbon monoxide kills. Always have a battery-powered carbon monoxide detector. For cold, isolate one small room, block drafts, and huddle together. Mylar space blankets reflect body heat, cheap, light, and life-saving. Stock up on hand warmers and dress in layers. For heat, stay hydrated, wear loose clothes, and block sunlight with curtains. At night, open windows for a cross breeze. Battery-powered fans help. Use a portable power station if you have one. Place ice in front of fans for DIY cooling. Know the signs of hypothermia, shivering, confusion, and heat exhaustion, dizziness, headache. Take action fast if you see them. Your home is only as safe as your prep. Plan your warm room, get Mylar blankets, hand warmers, and fans. Prep for both extremes. Your life may depend on it. Don't let the elements catch you off guard. Stay warm, stay cool, stay alive. Next, when cash is king and cards are useless. Climate control is survival. Prep now, rest easy later. Let's talk money. In a blackout, digital payments vanish. ATMs, card readers, banking apps all go dark. Only cash works. Keep $300, $500 in small bills, ones, fives, tens, and a few 20s. Small bills make transactions easy when no one can make change. Split your cash, some in your go bag, some at home, maybe a little in your car. Next, print hard copies of your essential documents, IDs, insurance, bank info, emergency contacts, and maps. Store them in a waterproof, fireproof bag or binder. Don't rely on your phone for critical info. Print it out. Have a physical list of emergency contacts and evacuation routes. Cash and documents give you options when systems fail. Don't keep everything in one place. Spread it out for safety. Prep now, and you'll never be trapped by a dead system. Money talks when the grid is down. Next, the biggest mistake that ruins everything. Cash is freedom. Don't be caught without it. Documents are your backup. Print them now. Stay ready, stay flexible. Let's wrap up with the most important lesson. Don't let money or info be your weak link. Prep smart, stay secure. You've got the 6 essentials: power, water, food, light, climate control, and cash. The biggest mistake? Waiting. Every day you delay, you risk your family's safety. Preparation is a process. Start now. 4 bonus tips. Keep fridge and freezer doors closed. Unplug electronics to avoid surges. Have a family communication plan that doesn't rely on cell towers. Know your neighbors. Community is your best asset. Don't get overwhelmed, just pick one item and get it this week. Start small, but start now. Don't wait until you're sitting in the dark wishing you'd prepared. Take action today. Hit subscribe for more life-saving prep tips. Stay prepared, stay safe. Your journey starts with one step. See you in the next one.